Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make an automated room lighting system using Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino, one small breadboard, one light bulb, 3 PIR sensors and few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So first of all, let us see how to connect this PIR sensor. So it has total 3 terminals. First is the signal terminal. We will connect each signal terminal of the sensor to this pin number 5, 6 and 7 of this Arduino respectively. After it, we will connect this power terminal of this PIR sensor. This is the power terminal of this PIR sensor to this 5V pin of this Arduino, and after it we will connect the grounding pin of this PIR sensor to this GND pin of this Arduino. Now let us see how to connect this bulb. This light bulb has total 2 terminals. We will connect the first terminal of it to this GND pin of this Arduino and the second terminal of it to this 13 number pin of this Arduino. So in this way our circuit is connected. Now let us see how the code is there. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have initialized 3 variables, input 1, input 2 and input 3 to 0. After it, we have used this void setup function in which we have configured the pin mode 5, 6 and 7 for the input purpose and 13 for output purpose. Now, the void loop function, what we are doing is, first of all, we are reading the value from this 5, 6 and 7 number pin to this PIR sensors and then storing its value in this input variables. And at the starting, we are writing this 13 pin number low, that is this bulb will not glow at the beginning. And after it, we are checking using this if statement that if any of these inputs, if any of this input 1, 2 or 3 of this PIR sensor is high, then we will simply give this power to the 13 number pin of the Arduino and hence the bulb will glow. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I am clicking in start simulation. As you can see over here, this is the object. This is the range of this first sensor. The object is outside the range of the sensor. In the second way as well, and in the third one as well. And hence the bulb is not glowing. Now let me put one object inside the range. As you can see that these two sensors object is not in the range, but only this sensor has one object in its range and hence the bulb is glowing. In either way you can try to put the second one as well and the bulb is glowing. So in this way, if any object will be there inside the range of any of these sensors, the bulb will glow, and if no object will be there, means no human is inside the room, the bulb will not glow. In this way electricity will also be saved. Thank you.